Hi, John here today to talk to you about EShine, the leader in easy to install lighting for where you live, work, and play. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn this into this. Our EShine LED lighting kits with hand activation don't require any hard wiring, can be installed in minutes, and there are no switches or remote controls to keep up with. Just wave your hand under the IR sensor to turn it on and off. To dim or brighten, just hold your hand over the IR sensor like this. Once you get your light levels just right, you can turn your EShine LEDs on and off, and your settings will be saved for the next time. EShine's LEDs are low profile and come in cool white and warm white color temperatures. And because they are LEDs, they are energy efficient and they don't get hot like other lighting solutions on the market today. Installation is easy. Just peel, stick, connect, and plug into a wall outlet. It really is that easy. The included 3M double-sided sticker will work for most installations, but EShine also includes screws just in case. EShine offers 4 different sizes of LED panels, 7, 12, 20, and 40 inch, and a variety of connectors, connection cables, and clips to make your install easy and beautiful. Your installation will look so good, your friends will think you hired an electrician. Now let me show you some other places where I use my EShine lighting. Here's my favorite place, the coffee maker, because first thing in the morning is the wrong time to get blasted by bright overhead lights. The laundry room, the TV case, and my favorite bookshelf. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Get your EShine LEDs today and turn this into this.